Kemerovo State Medical University. So what if I told you medicine in globally recognized university, hospital training, modern labs and affordable fees, all taught in English? Hello guys, welcome back to Higher Education Center by Thrill Overseas, where we help students like you to become globally respected doctors. So welcome to Kemerovo State Medical University's Russia's rising star in medical education. So in this video, I'll walk you through why Kemerovo State Medical University or KSMU is becoming a strong choice for Indian students who want to study MBBS abroad and build a future beyond borders. KSMU was established in 1955 and is over 65 years old. It has been training doctors and medical researchers with a focus of practical learning and innovation. The university offers 6 years of MBBS program entirely in English with a global standard and teaching methodologies. The degree from KSMU is recognized by WHO, NMC India, ECFMG USA and more, which means you are eligible for USMLE, USA, LAB, UK and postgraduate studies in Germany, UK. KSMU is not just about a classroom learning, it's a hub of medical innovation. The university is known for its research in biomedical sciences, especially in neurology, public health, and infectious diseases. It has contributed to the development of diagnostic tools for tuberculosis, chronic respiratory disorders, widely used in Serbian countries' healthcare system. Students at KSMU receive early clinical exposure with training in emergency medicine, pediatrics, surgery, gynecology, and many more. So guys, it is all about learning by doing, not just memorizing. Talking about the affordability, so Kemerovo offers a peaceful, safe and affordable lifestyle. The annual tuition fee usually ranges among the 5 to 6 lakh rupees. Cost of living is amongst the lowest in Russia, making it ideal for budget-conscious families. So why choose through Higher Education Center? That is the most important factor. So when you apply through Higher Education Center by Thrill Overseas, we go beyond admission. You get complete support from visa to arrival. The most importantly, we guide you even after MBBS, especially if you aim for PG in Germany. That's where our mentorship really sets us apart. Kemerovo State Medical University combines affordability, global opportunities, and innovation all in one powerful package. If you are looking for real medical education, research opportunities, and future-ready training, this is the university to watch. So guys, what you are waiting for? Contact Higher Education Center by Thrill Overseas today itself, and let's get your medical journey started today.